I'm helping Joseph today because he's working and he needs a helping hand. We came to leak. It's leak. And I noticed that loading bay, can you see? When I started truck driving class 2, I used to have to come here on a class 2 truck, and that was the loading bay. I remember I had to reverse here. It wasn't the same store, it was New Look at that time, but yeah, my first ever truck driving experience was here. This wall was like knocked down. Probably by lorry drivers. Old memories. I remember the place. I remember I've been driving around here. I remember the turn. I know I've done this run, but I can't remember the place. Absolutely no idea.
If you believe in love, how will I feel it? If you believe in me, how will you let me in? If you are ready, how do I reach you? I'm thinking about us, you're thinking about it too.
And then go down on the hill, watch the wheels,
Right.
and then I'll ring you then.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank
See
you.
Thanks, bye.
Bye. Poultry farm, Purple Gate. 7.5 ton restriction, accept access.
I'm listening.
I'm not talking to you, go. Tom.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Cancel.
Please say that again.
Cancel that. Cancel that.
Setting volume to 50%.
Fuck's sake. Cancel that. Oh my god. Okay, so it's gonna be a Purple Gate on... That's not the one. Purple Gate on the right, left. Which one is my left? That should be the one. Purple. Oh yeah, that's the one. This is not a public road. Your sat nav is wrong. Please turn back. Oh, it's not. Okay, let's do this. That place is where your chicken is coming from, guys. Chicken farm or poultry, any kind of turkey, the wheels. It's because of health and safety reasons. Probably because it's animals. They don't want me to carry in any viruses or bacteria or anything on the site. So I'm just going to wash the wheels. We are washed, they are clean. Okay, so I'll get in.
Okay, in.
In
And then in front of you, you see red trailer.
front of me, red trailer, yes.
Okay, now before the red trailer, on the right hand side, you look to your right and you'll see a shed full of wood chip.
Yeah. With the JCBs, yeah.
Yeah, okay, you should be able to reverse into the shed inside
Yeah,
and put it on the floor inside shed.
yeah, no problem.
Okay?
Yeah, cool, okay.
Well done, thank you very much.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Cheers, bye. So that's where it goes. I'm just going to open the back. All good. I had to move forward and a bit back. Let's close the door. Close the top sheet.
so often away. Come again, it's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Find behind the line. If you believe in love, give me a feeling. If you believe in me, hold me and let me in. If you are ready, I'm gonna reach you. I've got a feeling you're gonna reach me too. We're up and away. We'll run the world together. So up and away. Come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line.
GoPro. You got dusty. Going to spend my break there. 45-minute break. Yesterday I was on Kammac Lane for my break. Those are the chickens. Chicken houses. It's a bit stink here. Let's go! Finished for today. Bye bye chickens. It's such a beautiful sky. Can't believe it. I just stopped because it's so beautiful. That's my lorry. I'm coming from there, heading that way.
Easy jet wash again. But we have a guest today.
Hello guys.
Who are you?
I'm an intruder.
Lina, it's you around.
Hello. I'm Lina.
Yes.
I've got a famous channel on
Oh,
YouTube.
come on.
On YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. It's called Adventures of Trucker Lina because I'm a truck driver driving trucks. I'm usually coming to this kind of places for different reasons, like today, but today it's cleaning. I'm helping out Joseph.
Jet washing day.
Jet washing, yeah. It's
I'm nearly
pretty.
crying.
Are you? It's okay, you're gonna pay for me for this anyway.
She gonna make me pay.